Alrighty. So, the new software here. 2026 14.2. Everybody excited with the hardware 3. Well, this is a big deal in the moment, hardware 3, but I don't know how much exciting the software gets. Okay, so I don't know if it reacts to "Hey Grok." Doesn't. "Hey Grok, I need a route guidance to Costco in Commerce Township."
Navigating to Costco Wholesale in Commerce Township, about 11 miles away.
Thank you.
ETA.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Anytime. Let me know if you need more help.
I'm good, thank you.
Glad to hear it. Have a great day.
Thanks. So the route guidance is there, but I'm not on self-driving, so let's do that here. And I'm gonna put my sunglasses on, because when you put your sunglasses on, then the thing where it monitors you if you are watching the road is a little less sensitive to things like, for example, holding the camera here all the time. So look at this, it's driving. There was a car coming over there, can you see it? So it was going into my lane. It was not going in my lane. Oh, this thing has everything under control, okay? So no worries. I don't know whatever software was in here before, it's fine. Like, I mean, I don't know, it's good enough. For me, where I drive in the moment, there's not too many situations where it doesn't work right. Could it be smarter in some ways at points? Yeah, maybe. Look, this guy is in my lane here. He is in my lane with two wheels. Why? So a smart thing here in this situation would be to be in the right lane, because the left lane may turn, even though the left did not put out turn signal now. This is good. Look, it didn't. So now we have to go in here. There's a indicator for blind spot was there, saw that? And it made it smooth, like it's smooth and easy. It is 25 miles per hour, we go 27, now there's 35. There it speeds up to 35, so I don't know. It's working good. Too bad that you can't see the screen here. I need to check. Oh, yeah. So now we are getting into the situation where we need to stay in this lane to turn on the thing, and it doesn't go right. It goes the wrong way. Oh my god, it drives wrong. Wow, it drove in the wrong lane. Holy crap. It went straight from the right turn lane. Without hesitation, by the way. Because there was no other cars here to interfere with anything, but man, this could get you a ticket. If a cop saw that, oh god. It's crazy. Now again, this is an exit. We don't want to be here. Oh. We get over one, okay. Now we have to keep right. Turn signal right, that's good. Like, that's how you see an autonomous vehicle, it turn signals so much. Hang on, and there is the Tesla in front of us. Oh, it's driving there. Does it recognize a body? Does it? I'm not sure. My camera is shaking so much. Oh. there's traffic up there on that ramp. We have to merge in. Like the mirror shows there's nobody there. You know, approaching this thing from the back. I'm gonna park here. There's a good spot. Away from all those people. And there's a Subaru. Here, this is where we park. Okay, and then we will be back later. So, white seats. Oh man! And then all the ferns are in here. Now they are waiting to be transported, I guess. Yeah, let the ferns stay in here. And then I'm gonna go back home to put those guys on the gazebo, huh? That's how this goes. Okay. Here we go. Just have to drive a little more careful that the ferns don't fly around there in the back. Oh, there's a car behind me coming. It shows the indicator that there's a car coming. So now me next. Okay, and I need to enter my destination, and I want to see if Grok listens, right? Hey Grok! So it does not listen. So you have to set this in the settings, I guess. I wonder where those settings are. Because this is supposed to be new here in this thing. So is this software? Audio upgrades. Where would this be? What is the little dot here on the notification? Dash cameras and clip storage reduced. Why? So now I'm not self-driving, so I have to look for myself out the window if there's any car coming. Yeah. Oh. So dash cam recent clip storage reduced. Remove unused or saved clips to free space. So okay, so that means basically that my USB is full and it records over other stuff, like, you know, that makes sense maybe, okay. But so I don't know, is audio the thing where you do the Grok settings are in audio? Say hey Grok to launch Grok. That's new. Hey, allow. We allow Grok to listen the whole time. Yeah, let's go here to the left. Okay, so kids mode. Okay, so we are out of here. Hey Grok. Maybe I need to turn it off and on to do this. Hey Grok. Hey Grok. Hey Grok. Hi. I just wanted to see if you listen to me activating you.
Yeah, I'm listening and activated right here for you. What's up?
So I enabled precise location in the settings here on this car, right? So do you know where I'm at right now?
Yep, you're in West Bloomfield, Michigan right now. Precise location is spot on.
Is it? Right, okay. Can you start a route guidance to my home?
Route guidance started to home, about 15 minutes away.
Good. Yeah, that's all I need to know, okay. And, what else is new? Like, what about the weather? Is the weather okay today?
Weather's mostly cloudy and cool today in West Bloomfield, around 13 to 16 Celsius.
Oh.
Low chance of rain.
Nice.
Yeah. Cool, right?
Mm-hmm.
Let me know if you need anything else on the way.
So what do I have to say to pause you or to go back into the background? Like, So to call you, I say, hey Grok, but how do I turn you off?
Just say mute or to turn me off or pause, just say mute or stop. I'll go silent until you say hey Ara or hey Grok again.
Oh, okay. Okay, Grok, mute.
Got it. Muting now.
This is how this works. And so no matter what I say now, you won't say anything?
That's right. I'm muted.
So
No
I mean,
response
okay,
until you-
but you just talked to me. Okay, let's try more volume here. So, okay, stop.
Okay, stopping now.
Okay.
Volume's up, and I'm quiet until you call. Take care.
So now Grok is quiet, and I do have to tell her to activate again if I need her. I still wonder how the weather is in Chicago today.
Chicago's mostly cloudy and chilly today, around 9 to 10 Celsius, with
Does it
possible
not
late
sound
shower.
muted to me though?
I responded because you said, hey Grok, earlier. I'm not fully muted until
I
you
know. I said this earlier, but I mean no. So I want you to be muted, and then I want to say things, and you don't listen until I say hey Grok again.
Got it. Say hey Grok to wake me. Otherwise, I'm muted and silent. Muting now.
So that means she is now muted and doesn't answer any questions anymore until I activate it again. And I wonder in Chicago the weather today how that is.
Hey, I'm back. Chicago's mostly cloudy around 9 Celsius
So
today.
why are you
Possible-
back? I didn't say hey Grok.
Sorry, I jumped in on the Chicago weather mention, since it's a question. I'll stay truly muted unless you say hey Grok or hey Ara. Muting for real now.
Oh, that's the best. Muting for real. Wouldn't the
Muted. Won't
music
respond.
you say muted and then you respond the whole time, so you're not really going into mute.
You're right. Let me fix that. Say mute or stop to truly pause me until you wake with hey
Stop.
Grok. Muting. Stopped and muted. Call me with hey Grok when ready.
I was also expecting the music to come on now or whatever was there before, and for the Grok menu to go away, but it stays
Music
there.
should resume now. Yeah, the UI stays up until you dismiss.
Dismiss. Nice, so now it's off. Hey, so you have to say dismiss, not stop or anything. That's how this works, right? Hey Grok. So, I was wondering how the weather in Chicago is today.
It's mostly cloudy in Chicago right now, around 9 degrees Celsius, feeling like about 5 with north-northeast winds. High today around 11 to 12
Dismiss.
degrees Celsius.
Look at that. Now it's off. Now I can say what I want. How is the weather in Chicago? And she will not answer. So I have to say the word dismiss. Isn't it crazy? So the stop and mute doesn't work. It's just not the same. We're going in a traffic circle now, okay? Are we going in here? What is so good about traffic circles? Here we go. Look, there's cars coming, and it's going on. Oh. It's driving through here while they are still driving around in circles. Wow. Huh. Yeah. Yeah, flock camera. Oh, did you see it? It's recording our efforts. So, right, I have now mounted and fixed here. So, I'm just using a chain that goes around with one of those carabiner hooks. Just hook them in there. You see this? 1, 2, 3, 4. This could be a little bright here, because this here is the south side, but that tree will shade it quite a bit, so I hope they're making it. Otherwise I will put them over here on this side. Oh, no, is this too many? Oh, they will grow like twice the size, I'm 100% sure. That's what they did last year, like very big. Oh, if I can't sit there anymore and all the spiders move into those, who knows? We'll see.